What is kiwi? Kiwi is a fruit that grows on woody, vine-like plants of the Actinidia genus. It has a brown, fuzzy outer skin and a bright green, juicy interior with tiny black seeds. Kiwi is oval-shaped and about the size of a chicken egg. It is rich in vitamin C and also contains vitamin K, which is fat-soluble and helps regulate calcium levels in the blood. This makes kiwi a nutrient-dense fruit full of antioxidants. This fruit is not only rich in vitamin C and K, but also supports heart health, boosts immunity, and aids digestion. With its low-calorie content, this kiwi is a perfect choice for those looking to stay healthy and fit. Nutritional value of kiwi per 100 grams. Calories, 61 fat, 0.5 grams. Sodium, 3 milligrams. Carbohydrates, 15 grams. Sugar, 9 grams. Dietary fiber, 3 grams. Protein, 1.1 grams. Health benefits of kiwi. Improves digestion. Kiwi contains dietary fiber and natural enzymes that help break down proteins, making digestion easier. It also has a mild laxative effect, helping with bowel movements. Supports eye health. Kiwi is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect the eyes by filtering harmful light and supporting the formation of vitamin A. Boosts skin health. The vitamin C in kiwi promotes collagen production, which helps keep the skin firm and youthful. Supports heart health. Kiwi helps maintain healthy blood pressure and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Balances blood pressure. Due to its potassium content, kiwi helps regulate blood pressure levels, prevents kidney stone formation. The nutrients in kiwi help reduce the risk of kidney stones. Aids wound healing. The high vitamin C content promotes faster wound healing, reduces asthma symptoms. Studies show that the vitamin C in kiwi helps improve breathing, particularly in children with asthma. Benefits of kiwi peel. Kiwi peel is packed with antioxidants which help combat free radicals in the body. This slows down aging and prevents diseases caused by oxidative stress. Are there any side effects of kiwi? Kiwi is a common allergenic fruit and can trigger allergic reactions, especially in people allergic to nuts, avocados, figs, or pollen. Symptoms of kiwi allergy may include itchy throat, swelling of the tongue, difficulty swallowing, wheezing, stomach pain, vomiting. If you experience any of these symptoms, seek medical advice immediately. How to eat kiwi. Kiwi can be consumed in various ways depending on personal preference. Eat it raw by peeling and slicing. Blend it into a smoothie with other fruits and vegetables. Add it to salads, especially those with leafy greens. Use it as a topping for yogurt, chia pudding, or cakes. Mash it into a puree for jams or desserts. Dry it for a healthy snack. Frequently asked questions about kiwi. Is it safe to eat kiwi during pregnancy? Yes. Kiwi provides vitamin C, folic acid, and fiber, which support the immune system and digestion. Folic acid is essential for the baby's brain and nervous system development, reducing the risk of neural tube defects. How many kiwis can be eaten per day? Eating 1 to 2 kiwis daily is beneficial for health. However, those with sensitive stomachs may need to limit their intake. Does kiwi raise blood pressure? No. Kiwi actually helps regulate blood pressure due to its potassium content. Does kiwi help fight inflammation? Yes. The antioxidants and vitamin C in kiwi help reduce inflammation by neutralizing free radicals. Does kiwi contain collagen? Kiwi does not contain collagen itself, but its high vitamin C content promotes collagen production, benefiting skin and connective tissues. Can you drink water after eating kiwi? Yes, drinking water after eating kiwi does not cause any harm and may even help with digestion. However, people with sensitive stomachs should wait a little before drinking water. Now, it's your turn. Have you ever tried eating this fruit with its peel? What's your favorite way to enjoy this kiwi? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.